Differentiation of exponential and logarithmic functions. Exponential functions under corresponding inverse functions called logarithmic functions have the following differentiation formulas. So you have this one, d over dx log a u equal to 1 over u log e base a d over dx. ln of u equals to 1 over u du over dx. Then d over dx a to the power u au ln of a du over dx. Then you have d over dx e to the power u equal to eu d over dx. So example, find y prime of y equals to ln of 5 minus 8x. So solution will be this one. ln of u equals to 1 all over u du over dx, where u equals to 5 minus 8x. So du over dx equals to minus 8. So y prime 1 over 5 minus 8x times minus 8 equals to minus 8 over 5 minus 8x. Find the derivative of u equals to log 3t minus t cubed to the base a. So this one is d over dx log a equals to 1 over u log 3t minus t cubed, and is a. So u equals to 3t minus t cubed du over dt equals to 3 minus 3t squared. 3 minus 3t squared. So d over dx log of a there, then you have that one 3t minus t cubed equals to 1/3 1 all over 3t minus t cubed times log a e 3 minus 3t squared equals to 3 minus 3t squared log e over 3t minus t cubed. Number 3, Find y prime of, and y double prime of y equal to ln of x. So you have that one y equals to x 1 all over x plus ln of x times 1 equals to 1 plus ln of x. Y double prime y double prime equals to 0 plus 1 all over x equals to 1 all over x. So find y prime of y equal to ax, then x squared minus 2x plus 2. So solution is that we have y prime equals to ax times 2x minus 2 plus x squared minus 2x plus 2 e to the power x equals to x squared e to the power x. When y prime of y equal to e 6x, so y prime equals to e to the power 6x times 6 equals to 6 e to the power 6x. Find y prime of y equal to e minus x cubed. So y prime equals to e minus x cubed times minus 3x squared equals to minus 3x squared e minus x cubed. What is the slope of the tangent to the curve y equal to 4 ln of 4? ln of 4x at the point, so we have it on ln of 4x at the point whose abscissa is 1. So the slope of y prime of y equals to y prime equals to 4 all over 4 over x. 4 times 4 over x, 4 times 4 all over x equals to 4 over x. 4 over 4x pala ito. So y prime equals to 4 all over x at x equals to 1. So y prime equals to 4 over 1 equals to 4. Find the equation of the tangent to the curve y equals to 2e to the power 2x at point 0, 2. So this one tangent to the curve y to the power 2x. So solution y prime equals to 2e to the power x at x equals to 0, y prime equals to 2e to the power 0 equal to 2. So the slope m equal to y prime equal to 2. So equation is y minus y sub 1 equal to m times x minus x sub 1. Y minus 2 equal to 2x minus 0, or we have that one, 2x minus y plus 2 equals to 0. So this one for this net.